To move contacts from SIM card to internal storage on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first open the Contacts application. Let's press this one, and from here you'll have to go for the Organize, and from here scroll down and you'll be able to find Manage SIM, and as you can see you can import or delete contacts from SIM card. So let's tap on this one. And right here there's the list of all of your contacts which are saved on your SIM card. Select any of these contacts that you'd like to move from the SIM card to internal storage, and after that just press this import button. And also make sure, like if you want to save these contacts, import them to your device internal storage, you'll have to go for the device, not the Google account, but for device. And from here you are now able to move these contacts from the SIM card to internal storage. And just like this, one contact has been imported and the copy has been removed from the SIM card. And let's go back for the contact lists, and right here you will be able to find this contact, and like this one is on the device, as you can see, contact info from device, and this one is still on the SIM card. It's for some reason didn't get deleted, so you can delete it manually. And yeah, error saving contact, there's some kind of a bug, some error right here, but yeah, that's basically how you can move contacts from SIM card to internal storage.